Residents of the Isle of Lewis in Scotland's Outer Hebrides say a mysterious low-frequency humming sound, nicknamed the Hebridean hum, is disrupting their lives day and night.
Really?
Now, 200 people have reported hearing the persistent 50 hertz noise, with some describing it as intrusive, distressing, and even affecting their sleep and concentration.
Wow.
Local resident Lauren Grace Kirtley, who started a Facebook group to document the issue, said the noise feels like someone shouting in your face. Another islander, Marcus Hazel McGowan, has been using amateur radio tools to investigate and warns the mystery is taking a toll on people's mental well-being.
Oh, it's awful.
The local council is looking into it, and while theories range from TV masts to fairy noise, no clear source has been identified. The nearby power station and boats have largely been ruled out. Similar unexplained hums have been reported in other parts of the UK in recent years, which causes ranging from industry to even mating fish. For now, the Hebridean hum remains an eerie mystery in the Scottish Isles there.
Wow.
So, I think those are really interesting. I don't know if this is the same phenomena, but have you guys seen those videos where there's like just the crazy noises that people hear?
That seemed like that was happening in a lot of places around the world, all around the same time over the course of a few years, maybe around like 10, 12 years ago.
Yeah.
But it wasn't a constant noise. This sounds like it's a constant thing, which would be absolutely awful.